Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M14 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access security and privacy. Now scroll down again, click on biometrics, tap on face recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, select continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Then adjust all of those options however you wish to. And now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you want to switch on or off face unlock feature, click on face recognition, enter your screen lock, and tap on this switcher next to face unlock. You can also delete face data completely by choosing remove face data at the top and clicking on remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!